Balapia khuslai. Jisu tu laong pe hamathas khandai. Dkhot ka bar hun riu. Jisu te ha baula khmi aki. Laong ka bomla hau breu. Henry hau blay ka long ka balai. Matthew chapter 19 verses 26. But Jesus looked at them and said, "What men think is impossible, but with God all things are possible." Amen. God bless you. Have a blessed day. Ang pulian ki Filipi gila nang basaw lakot ka ban riyo. Wat khuslai ka ero. Henry ha ka baro da ka jing duwai. Ba da ka jing kerpat lem ba ka jing aingo. To pin pen tip ye ka jing pan jong pi shau blay. Reading from Philippians chapter 4 verses 6. Do not be anxious about anything, but in everything by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. Amen. Have a blessed day. Ang pulian kisam benong kabasis palay pun riyo kadakot kabanengkong to ay ngu utray namar ulong babha naba ka jingis nay jung u kane bom chukot. Reading from Psalm chapter 136 verses 1. Give thanks to the Lord, for He is good. His love endures forever. Psalm 136 1. Amen. Pig bedu jingkerman. Baikkan video. What do jingkerman? And record kerpa di utrai tu unpai ketin ye pi. But unpen ki bakrau happy. Now Jeremiah lanong kabalay pulay kadkot kabalay. Call to me, I will answer you, and I will tell you great and mighty things which you do not know. Jeremiah 33 verses 3. Amen. God bless you. Yohanes Khasi Rio. Jisu ula jubab ngalong kalenti ke jing shisha. Baka jingin de omdan uno balik chokpa like nana. Jesus answered, I am the way, the truth and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. John 14:6. Amen. Ang pulian kisam lanong basis palay kadakot kabaa. Komen sian jonga tukur khu ya utrai. Barwat klet ye jing le bha jong ubaro. Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all His benefit. Psalm 103:2. Amen.